By nani nani. Baaiwa nani nani. How do you use Baaiwa nani nani? If you want to say in the case you are late in the meeting, in the case you come late. If you want to say the about like this, how do you say in Japanese? Actually, when we want to make the sentence by using case or in the case, we use by. Or if we want to create a sentence by using if, we can use Baaiwa to explain the situation. And here by is an expression used for postulating a situation. The sentence that follows it indicates how to cope with the situation or its consequence. Since by is a noun, it is connected in the same way as a noun modifier. So what is the meaning? So the meaning that by is a noun. So you just think that by is a noun. So when you use a noun with another noun, it can be like use no between. So how do we use the by with the word, the adjective? So it's very easy. You just remember easily that if you want to use by with the anything with end by e, for example,悪い by, or you can say わからない by, or you can say 良い by, right? So anything that end by it, this mean that the word, if you use the word with by, you should change the word to be the knife form, because knife form is end in e, and e is, you can use the e adjective, for example, yoi or warui. Warui by, yoi by, right? Tarashi by, something like this. So but when you use this, now you should use no, for example, denwa no by, or you can say pasokong no by. Why? Pasokong is a noun. So when we use with the by, you should put the between the noun with the no. But when you use with the na adjective, you don't need to be change anything. For example, kile na by, or you can say jishin no by, something like this. So it's very easy. So let's see some sample together. In here we have the example like this. 会議に間に合わない場合は連絡してください。会議に間に合わない場合は連絡してください。Which means, please contact us if you can't get into the meeting on time. So what we see is, what is the before, what is in before the by? In here, before by is the awanai, right? So it's the word maniowanai. Manio is mean the noun in the dictionary form, but maniowanai is mean the word in the knife form. So when you use the knife form with the by, so you don't need to change anything because it's end by e. So the case like this, you can use Baaiwa. It mean 会議に間に合わない場合 mean if you can't, you can translate to be if or case, just depend to you. So but in this sentence, it translate to be if, because you can say please contact us in the case you can't get into the meeting on time, or you can change to be if you can't get into the meeting on time. And another sentence, we have the sentence like this. 時間に遅れた場合は会場に入れません。時間に遅れた場合は会場に入れません。Which means If you are late, you will not be allowed into the venue. In this case, we see that before by is mean is okureta. Okureta is mean late. So late okureta is mean the late is in the past tense form. So in the past tense form, you don't need to change it. Just use the past tense form with the by. As you see here, okureta by, or ita by, or zita by, something like this. So this is the grammar that you have to remember when you use with the noun in the past tense, in the noun form, or in the with the adjective, with the noun. If you remember this, you know how to use the when you use the by. And another sentence, we had a sentence like this. パソコンの調子が悪い場合はどうしたらいいですか？パソコンの調子が悪い場合はどうしたらいいですか？ Which means, what should I do if my PC doesn't work properly? What should I do if my computer doesn't work properly? In here we see that before by is the from is warui. Warui is mean bad or nothing or not good, and warui is e adjective because it's end by e. I see here warui is end by e. So as I said that anything end by e, you don't need to change anything. Warui by, right? So joshi ga warui by is mean your computer have problem and not work properly. So in the case like this, just say warui by. Warui by is mean if, or in the you can say case. What should I do in the case my PC doesn't work properly? Or you can say, what should I do if my PC doesn't work properly? So anything, it just had the same meaning. And another sentence. In this sentence, we will use with the na adjective. As in here, we say, 領収書が必要な場合は言ってください。領収書が必要な場合は言ってください。Which means, please let me know if you need a receipt. Please let me know if you need a receipt. So in the case like this, you will see that before by is a 必要な. 必要な is mean need, right? But 必要な is a na adjective, so we use after 必要 we can be na. So in the case we use with the na adjective, you don't need to change it in between by and na adjective. Just say 必要な場合 or きれいな場合, something like this. So you can say 必要な場合 is mean in the case you need, right? Or you can say if you need. So in this sentence, they can say, let me know if you need a receipt. Or you can say, let me know, please let me know if in the case you need a receipt. So you can translate to be in the case or if. But in Japanese, just use by only. It can be translated to be case or if. So this is about how to use with the na adjective, with the e adjective, and with the word, right? But another sentence, if you use with the noun, for example, 地震の場合はエレベーターを使わないでください。Or you can say, 火事の場合は エレベーターを使わないでください which means please do not use the lift in the case of a fire or earthquake. So this is about how to use a Baaiwa. It's very easy. You just remember when you use with the EH or 9 formula verb and with the 9 step and the noun. So to summarize, it means that when you use with anything end by E, you don't need to change anything. But when you use with the noun, you should put no between the by and that noun. And when you use with the past tense, you don't need to change anything. And when you use with the na step, you don't need to change anything too. So that's all about how to use by. So I hope that you understand how to use it. And if you have any question, please comment below. I'll be happy to answer your question. Thank you very much. ありがとうございました。